Right, today I'm working on the side marker bulb on the Volkswagen Passat. The first thing you're going to do is turn your wheel all the way in so you have space to move or work in there. You have to get this little opening off, and that is a Torx T25 right there. It's one bolt, and then the door has a little lip on it, so it comes off and comes out. Then once you get in here, you will see that there is this little tab. You will also have a rubber gasket right here. Boom. Just pull that off. That's just a press fit. I do not have the rubber gasket. With this tab, you're going to twist. I'm going to try to show you here. It goes this way, and you have to twist 360 degrees before this comes out. And then this tab will come out. There are wires attached, so you might have to like wiggle and jiggle, but you will eventually get it out. And that's your bulb there. That's what the bulb looks like. I'll have a link in the description to this specific bulb. There's the fitting that it goes into. If you are handling a bulb, you should wear gloves. This is not a brand new bulb. It's a blown bulb, but you should have some gloves on. This is just for educational purposes only. And then this is what the hole looks like right there. Whoop! It goes all the way. The trick of this is you have to spin this guy 360 degrees. If you're pulling it out or putting it in, you have to spin it all the way around to pop that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and the hard part about getting this in is you kind of have to fight these wires. So as you're putting it in, grab these guys and then guide this into that fitting, and those wires are going to kind of want to fight you because it's a tight space. So just gently, don't force it, don't push, but spin it around, kind of spin it back, spin it forth. If it's not going, make sure you take kind of the slack out. I'm holding this with this hand and sliding in, that did it. So just getting those wires out of the way is huge. And then spin this around 360 degrees, and we're in. Another thing you can do is look through the glass and see if the bulb is sticking out. Use that as your guide. Then you throw that cap back on and the rubber gasket, and your side marker light is installed. If this was helpful, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment for me, and check out my playlist where I have over 30 tutorials on the Volkswagen Passat, and we'll see you next time.